GlycoBoost reviews pricing explained what you get for your money. If you're looking to manage blood sugar naturally, GlycoBoost promises support, but most people get this wrong by expecting immediate results. The surprising truth is that it works best as part of a long-term health plan. GlycoBoost costs $95 for a 1-month supply with discounted bundles available, 3 bottles for $95 or 6 bottles for $95. Ingredients include chromium, alpha-lipoic acid, and herbal extracts designed to maintain healthy glucose metabolism. Shipping is usually domestically. What you get: a supplement targeting glucose balance, convenient daily capsules, and a money-back guarantee for 30 days. What you give up: no overnight results, and effectiveness varies depending on diet, exercise, and overall health. Additional healthcare guidance may enhance outcomes. Here's how to evaluate. Step 1. Understand your current health needs. Step 2. Compare bundle pricing to reduce per bottle cost. Step 3. Monitor blood sugar levels regularly. Step 4. Pair supplementation with a balanced diet and lifestyle. You won't believe what happens next if you rely solely on supplements. Lifestyle factors are critical. The surprising truth is that GlycoBoost can be a helpful tool when combined with proper nutrition and exercise. In conclusion, GlycoBoost offers value for those committed to long-term glucose support. Pricing, bundles, and clear expectations can help maximize benefits and ensure your investment is worthwhile.